What's up, everyone? Let's talk about the ways you can use to find your IMEI on your iPhone. Knowing your IMEI is important if you're looking to buy or sell a phone in order to check the activation status or whether the device has been reported as lost or stolen. By the way, if you're looking to sell a used phone, check out swapsmart.com. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. If you go to your phone icon and dial *#06#, your IMEI will appear. Also, you can go to your settings icon, scroll down to General, tap on About, and scroll down to your IMEI. If your iPhone doesn't power on, there are two things you can try. You can eject your SIM card tray. Your IMEI can be found right there on this part. If you have an older iPhone, like this one, the IMEI can also be found on the bottom part of the back cover. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.